somebody from Okta to report here. Can I have the batter's name, sir? Suresh Gaikwad, sir, and the non-striker. Vishal. Thank you, Vishal. So, non-striker पर विशाल, स्ट्राइक पे सुरेश गायकवाड़, और बॉलर का नाम जानना चाहूंगा मैं. सुबीर. सुबीर. और गेम शुरू होने का जो समय लिखा गया है वो है 8:31. ये है हमारा गेम स्टार्ट टाइम. मैं यहाँ पे बताना चाहूँगा 30 मिनट्स, 30 मिनट मिलेंगे आपको अपनी 7 ओवर 35 मिनट का लक्ष्य होगा 7 ओवर फेंकने के लिए. अब सुबीर गोलंदाजी करता है सुरेश गायकवाड यांना. पहिलं षटक, पहिला चेंडू इनसाइड एज लागलेला आहे. 1 धाव आणि ऑक्टाचं खातं उघडलेलं आहे या 1 धाव संख्येने. विशाल सिंग सामना करणार सुबीर यांना. दुसरा चेंडू, पहिलं षटक. डाव्या हाताची गोलंदाजी, फुल टॉस चेंडू होता. प्रशांत यांनी थोडासा फंबल बॅट बाउन्सवर, आणि जिथे दिसत होता की ही 1 धाव होऊ शकते तिकडे त्यांना चौकार मिळालेला आहे. वेलकम बाउंड्री म्हणावं लागेल इकडे. मला वाटतं हे क्षेत्ररक्षकाची पण चूक नाही, ते आरामात गेलेले, पण बॅट बाउन्सने त्यांना दगा दिला. झालेली आहे धावसंख्या 2 चेंडू. तिसरा चेंडू पुन्हा एकदा फुल टॉस फिल्डर कडे गेलेला आहे. 1 धावसंख्या वाढ झालेली आहे आणि धावसंख्या झालेली आहे 6. 3 चेंडू नंतर 6. आणि ह्या रनआउटचा संभवता रनआउट धावबाद झालेली आहे विशाल. सुंदर क्षेत्ररक्षण. यहाँ पर हमारी कमेटी के एक और सदस्य का आगमन होते हुए रोहित नायर, जो माहिर है शेड्यूल बनाने के लिए और उतनी ही कॉमेडी वाली कमेंट्री करने के लिए. क्या मैं जान सकता हूं फील्डर कौन था जिन्होंने ये बहुत अच्छा रनआउट किया?
To come into his zone. Just one big shot. And that's what the Sapphire team is not giving them. They're not giving them that room.
Ravi, Rohit, it's just a matter of one delivery, one good shot, and Bharat will be right on his track. That's what he's known for. That's what his team wants him to do. Teams want him to deliver, and I think he'll justify that in a ball or two.
Yeah, I agree with you, because the ball, we have to appreciate the bowling efforts. by
Yeah,
Sierra.
absolutely.
Sorry,
They
Sapphire.
Sapphire Storm. They have really kept him quiet. They are just bowling to their plans. 12, 12 after 2 overs. थोड़ी सी एक्सरसाइज शुक्ला जी के लिए यहाँ पर हमारे बॉल बॉयज के द्वारा धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगा बॉल बॉयज का भी. सुबीर गेंदबाजी करेंगे भरत जी के लिए. तिसरं षटक घेऊन आले सुबीर. गोलंदाजी करणार भरत यांना. 12 धावा झालेल्या आहेत एक गडी बाद. 2 षटकं संपलेली आहेत. ऑक्टा आणि सफायर यांच्यातला हा शेवटचा लीग सामना आहे. त्याच्यानंतर आपण मजा घेऊया नॉकआउटची. पण सध्या ऑक्टा वर्सेस सफायर.
That's a good ball. That's not allowing the batsman to for some big shots. And Bharat, I think he has something in his mind. He doesn't want to rotate the strike. He has decided now I will take on the bowlers. Now I won't give them the chance.
These are the signs of the legendary batsmen. They value their wicket. This is what confidence is all about. This is what the trust is all about. He trusted his instincts. He knew the next ball he had to whack it out of the park, and he does that with a Satsang Parivar maximum. Rohit.
That is what he is known for. The last ball he just got a fair bit of idea how the bowler is gonna bowl, and he decided to take on the bowler now by just keeping himself on strike. He has been successful in the last ball. Now let's see the next ball, a shorter ball, and that's what I was trying to say you. One good shot will bring him back in the game, and that's what he is known for, and he's doing it.
Well, I think the miracle has just happened at the beginning of the over. If you could have seen, there was a change of bat by Bharat. So he wasn't happy with that bat that he was carrying, and suddenly he feels lighter now with that bat. So he delivers it with 2 good sixes out of the park over the long off area and square leg area. Oh, we just missed it. There was a chance. It looked like chance 3 in 3, Rohit.
Yeah, actually, the bowler was very smart. He saw him coming out of the crease, so he bowled him very outside off, and he tried to play in on the off, but missed it completely. The next ball, that's what he is known for.
It was right in the slot. Not a bad delivery, but to see a caliber of Bharat, he won't waste time. He won't let go any opportunity to score runs. But hats off to Subir also. He's just trying to change lanes and trying to keep Bharat quiet. Odd boundaries and sixes are definitely going to come, Rohit.
Exactly. See, I would like to appreciate Bharat with his mentality. The first ball he faced, it was a good outside of full length delivery. Wasn't in his slot. He placed it towards the deep extra cover and did took a run because he know that he will charge in this over, and that's what he's doing right now. That's something to learn from a great player. And in the last ball, he's trying to take a single, sneak a single, but he was unable to.
Definitely, that was a ploy actually. He would have hit this ball also out of the park, but he knows the next over will be mine. So I just wanted to take a single, but hats off to the bowler. Intelligent bowling. He just keeps him quiet, denies the single. So eventually now Bharat has to go back to the non-strike end. Suresh Gaikwad with the batter on the strike,
Suresh
and the
sir
bowler
with
will be Satya.
smile. Did you see the smile on Suresh sir's
Actually,
face?
I missed that smile because I was watching Bharat.
Suresh sir was. I feel he had something in his mind that I am also a great player.
He's also a wonderful hitter. We always see him bat over the mid-wicket
And
area. That was
this
the
is
power
the
play
where
over.
he will show his caliber.
Sorry, sir.
This is the over where Suresh sir will show his caliber because he's known for it. He's very great player. He's a good explosive batsman, and he's playing very sensibly. As he can see, Bharat is doing well in the non-striker end, so he's giving him that strike. I'm sure this ball he had double minds giving strike to Bharat or should go for a big shot. Next ball. What a ball. What a ball! That's
Good
ball.
comeback. Wonderful delivery by Satya actually. Even the previous over by Satya was a good one for his team. He's doing it wonderful to himself. Let's wait and watch to the next delivery, Rohit.
I know this guy. He had defended some 8, 9 or 9 odd runs against Alika team, and in the last over last
You
season.
cannot do anything for this shot. It just landed straight over the bowler's head, just below the cameraman for a six, and just Bharat does not want to run anything now.
I'm sure Bharat will not be planning to give any strike anymore to any other batsman because he want to charge himself and make sure he faces
That
the
was a
maximum
wide
deliveries.
delivery. Wide cancelled. It just snicked the thighs of Bharat, so it's a legitimate delivery.
Good sportsman spirit by Bharat. He acknowledged the umpire that the ball had touched his pants. Moving on to the next delivery. Bharat on strike. He's already scored a big shot. One. Oh, that is something
That was
he
a rare
will be
miss.
thinking.
That was a rare miss by Bharat. It was a change of pace or what, but just a rare miss. An ordinary Bharat would have hit him out of the park, but this is exceptional batting by Bharat. He has definitely some things in mind.
That's hit out of the park.
बॉल मंगा लीजिए प्लीज, बॉल मंगा लीजिए कपिल सर, आपसे गुजारिश. थैंक यू सो मच सर.
Recently, I had watched an interview of Ashwin, Ravichandran Ashwin, where he was asked that what Sehwag does and what he can improve. He was asking Sehwag, Virendra Sehwag, that as a off
थोडं
spinner what he
विकेटच्या
can
बाहेर
do.
प्लीज. थँक यू.
And Sehwag said that
आणि match
he
ball
doesn't
आलेला आहे.
consider him as a off spinner.
जलप्राशन करण्यात मग्न आमचे शिवम शुक्ला.
Scoring machine for them.
रेपन सर.
So Ashwin decided to bowl rubbish
43.
deliveries.
Sorry to
as
interrupt
rubbish as
Rohit.
possible deliveries to Sehwag because he's prepared for good deliveries and he's not expecting a rubbish deliveries, and that's where he gave away his wicket. The reason I'm telling this is because Bharat is that kind of a batsman. You bowl a good ball, he will hit you out of the park. You keep bowling a good ball, he will still hit you out of the park. One of the kind of odd deliveries
Karan is the
or
new
rubbish
bowler.
delivery will always make him upset.
A wider
what we are
delivery to
seeing.
start by Karan to the down the leg side. He's bowling to Suresh
A low
Gaikwad.
full
Suresh
toss.
Gaikwad
Guy
has
has
been
full
so far
toss.
quiet and calm, but we also would love to see Suresh Gaikwad batting.
New bowler comes into bowl to Suresh Gaikwad. Down the leg. Both the ball goes for a wide.
Two deliveries on the trot to the down the leg side.
What a shot.
और ये
That
बहुत
is
अच्छा कवर
what he's
ड्राइव
known
मारा
for.
हुआ है. चौका. रोहित भाई क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस शॉट के बारे में? हमने आज तक भारत सुरेश भाई को देखा है बहुत अच्छी बैटिंग करते मिड विकेट एरिया पे, लॉन्ग ऑन एरिया पे, लेकिन ये स्क्वायर कट बहुत अच्छा था.
सुरेश सर का जितना भी तारीफ करो कम है. काफ़ी अनुभवी खिलाड़ी है और हमने इनका गेम देखा है. बहुत ही बेहतरीन टेम्परामेंट के खिलाड़ी है. अपनी विकेट आसानी से नहीं देते ये कभी, और कोशिश हमेशा करते कि टीम को जितना हो सके उतना कंट्रीब्यूट करे. अब देखिए
यही उनकी स्पेशलिटी है रोहित.
यही चीज़ के लिए जाने जाते हैं. उन्होंने पॉइंट के फील्डर को डीप में किया, स्क्वायर लेग के फील्डर को अंदर लिया, फील्ड के साथ खेलते हैं, गेंदबाज के साथ
He's like
खेलते
that
हैं.
silent assassin, silent killer. बिना आवाज किए, बिना आगाज किए वो स्कोर बढ़ाते हुए 50 हो गए, 53 हो गया है स्कोर.
यही तो ब्यूटी है इनकी बैटिंग की. आप सिक्स मार सकते हो, उसमें काफ़ी रिस्क होता है सिक्स मारना, क्योंकि विकेट्स मिलने के चांसेस ज़्यादा है. आप गैप्स ढूंढ के इसको बाउंड्रीज मारना इज़ नेवर इजी. इट्स एन आर्ट, और वो आर्ट के लिए जाने जाते हैं हमारे सुरेश सर.
He's very artistic, he's very majestic, Suresh ji. Now we move on to Bharat here now. Well, let's say high in the air. Bowler says, "Let me take that catch," and look at the confidence of the bowler. That ball was really
Exactly.
driving high up in the air, and he was very watchful, Rohit. See, these catches do look
He
easy.
was very calm. That is
Yeah.
more important, because when the ball went up in the air, there was no calls given by any fielder on the field, and the bowler himself went on for the ball, stayed calm.
Overs in walks in Sudesh Shetty. Now Sudesh Shetty.
Next legend comes in, Sudesh Shetty.
सुधीश सर, रोहित नायर आपके लिए सुधीश सर का मैसेज है, आप मेरी
Personally, my
तारीफ कम
mentor,
करो.
I would say Sudesh Shetty. He inspires a lot of young talented cricketers.
This is what
I am
we have
not one
come
of
for,
them,
Rohit.
because I am not talented.
The legends are showing true sportsmanship. They have offered, he said yes for that request of runner, and hats off to Sudesh. In spite of that injury, he is still there on the ground for his team. And
As I said, when you are looking for sixes, you will always tend to give the risk of giving away wicket. That's how Bharat got out. Now Sudesh comes in. What a leave! Look at that bat. What a beautiful bat, and they have sneaked a single. And oh, just a calculation error, a sweep shot.
a very soft sweep, actually. It was not a
Actually,
slog.
because
It was
not
very
a
soft.
slog, it was a soft because he wanted to just
Paddle
put it
sweep
above
as
the fielders.
corrected by my legendary scorer Ravi. Ravi has been really up to the mark, and so have been our officials. All thanks to them.
Two greatest players on the field, and that's it straight. There's a fielder in the deep. He takes it. Two great legends were out there. batting.
Bernie is the catcher. What a cool head he had. Rohit, Bernie is the catcher. Any special comments for that catch and the player who took that?
Appreciate the catcher Gauri. He stayed calm, went under the ball, didn't put much efforts just to put it up or down. He just stayed under the ball, kept himself calm, and took it
Rohit, full
very
marks
easy.
to the bowler. He was bowling down the leg side. He started off with two wides. He bowled another wide on the offside. But hats off to him. He has bagged two important wickets of this innings
Two
for
set batters.
Octa.
He has sent back two set batters back to the pavilion.
57 for 3 at the end of 5 overs. 57 for 3. Rohit, another 2 overs to go. Kapil Entodia and Sudesh Shetty, two legendary batters here. Where do you see the score going on? Now we are
I
at
can
57.
see these two batters will be playing very sensible. Kapil looks very aggressive batter, and Sudesh look very calm and composed batter. He will
57 for 1. Sorry, 57 for 3. Beg your pardon,
57
sir.
for 3. Sudesh would be looking for giving the strike to Kapil so that Kapil can make the complete use of the 2 overs left in this inning. Sudesh on strike. He has it straight into the hands of the fielder. Sudesh tried to
Well, Charan
just
is the
put
catcher.
it
I
down
think,
straight above
Rohit,
the
if
bowler's
you
head.
see, the Sapphire Storm fielders are grabbing everything that they're getting into their hands. So far, touchwood, I don't want to be a commentator's curse. They have been catching it well. They have been fielding really well, checking the singles. So full marks to their efforts. They are here to, gather 2 points, I guess. They are just not for here to play a match. Their spirits are really high. And in Watson,
Completely agree with you. Catches win you matches, and that's what is happening here. The bowlers are executing the plans.
can I have the
Very
batter's
well.
name from Octa, please? Preetham. Thank you, Preetham. Preetham is
They're
the new
executing
batter,
the
Rohit.
plan. Outside of wide signal by the umpire. This is Kodze from South Africa, and he is from Sapphire.
But see, a very interesting bowling run-up from Prashant here. Again a wider delivery. ये बेहतरीन फील्डिंग बर्नी द्वारा एक बेहतरीन कैच, उसके बाद एक चौका रोका बर्नी ने.
Good shot. Strike rotated. Kapil gets back his strike.
कपिल इंतोड़िया जो है वो हमारे नेक्स्ट बैटर सामना करेंगे प्रशांत जी का. प्रशांत जी जिन्होंने 2 वाइड गेंदें डाली और एक अच्छी गेंद अभी डालने के लिए तैयार. उनका सामना करेंगे कपिल जी इंतोड़िया. बेहतरीन बल्लेबाजी का प्रदर्शन कपिल द्वारा. No
He-
introduction here at
he
all.
is another hard hitter. You know Marco Jansen. How he is?
If you see, you saw the approach of Kapil at this delivery. He was as cool as cucumber hitting that shot, and there was no aggression. There was no kind of an attitude in that shot. He just walked in. It's a six. I'm coming back to the
It's
mark.
a battle between Kotze versus Marco Jansen.
Absolutely, both the legendary players here. 40 plus category. That's what we are watching for. Another full toss
That's a
delivery in
good
the couch
shot, but a
corner, and
fielder,
oh!
that is what a very important miss.
There's some kind of a discussion going on, and finally they go for a review for that guy who fielded. Well, let's wait and watch what eventually this was. We are just waiting for the decision from the umpires. What that eventually it was. Umpires is just keen to go back to his mark, and maybe then he'll announce the decision. So we all have our heartbeats. So what it is? It's only one run. Thank you, sir. So it's only a single to Kapilji. Just a minute.
Moving on to the next delivery. It's a good comeback. The players at the point region ready. He has it
Again in the air by प्रीतम जी का ये चौका. तो उन्होंने देखा बहुत बड़ा गैप था रोहित, और वही गैप पिक करके उन्हें एक चौका लगाया. सो स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 71. हम 6वें ओवर में हैं, 6th ओवर. रोहित, एक आखिरी गेंद इस ओवर की प्रशांत गेंदबाजी करेंगे प्रीतम को, जिन्होंने बहुत बेहतरीन चौका लगाया है इस ओवर में. और फिर एक बार आगे बढ़कर उन्हें देखा बॉल कहां ट्रैवल कर, और बिल्कुल सुबीर चूक गए. कैच हो सकता था, लेकिन ये कैच जो है वो मिस हुआ, और इवेंचुअली इसको चौके में तब्दील कर दिया फील्डर द्वारा. सो अब स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 75 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 4 विकेट्स एट द एंड ऑफ 6 overs. अब बर्नी आए हैं अपनी टीम की आखिरी ओवर लेके. नहीं, बर्नी नहीं, सिद्धार्थ आए गेंदबाजी करने, जो अभी कवर पॉइंट रीजन पे फील्डिंग कर रहे थे. आखिरी 6 गेंदे. The final 6 deliveries of Octa innings, they have already managed 75 for the loss of 4 wickets. Now let's see what these final 6 deliveries will get us. और ये शॉर्टर डिलीवरी कपिल ने ना कहा सिंगल के लिए और फंबल हो गया फील्डर द्वारा. जहां पे सिंगल हो सकता था वहां पे 4. तो 2 lucky boundaries for Kapil Ji. Kapil Ji is showing no mood of any aggression. He's there as cool as cucumber. He's just having a good mind over his shoulders. Slower delivery. Kapil was expecting it to be called wide because it drifted down the leg side, but no, it is not. It is a dot delivery. और एक और षटकार लगाते हुए कपिल जी. सत्संग परिवार का ये षटकार लग गया है कपिल की बल्लेबाजी पे और स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 85 4 विकेट के नुकसान पे. अब फिर से बॉलिंग करेंगे सिद्धांत कपिल जी को. एक चौका, एक छक्का, एक डॉट डिलीवरी. बहुत ड्रामा देख चुके हैं इस ओवर में और ये भी बेहतरीन छक्का लग गया, चौका लग गया है, छक्का लग गया है, सॉरी. 6 is what we have seen from the bat of Kapil and Todia. Well, definitely a confidence booster for him and the team. 91 for 4. One more shorter delivery, same area. This time the fielder says, let me settle down, and he feels it so nicely for a single. Final delivery of this innings, rather, final delivery. 92. फुल टॉस डिलीवरी थी. एक डिक्लेयर और हम सात षटकं संपलेली आहेत ऑक्टाची. ऑक्टाने फलंदाजी करून धावसंख्या पोहोचवली आहे 93 असं मला रवी यांनी सांगितलंय. 93 धावा झालेल्या आहेत आणि 94 धावांचं लक्ष सफायर स्टॉर्म कडे. सुंदर फटकेबाजी कपिल आणि प्रीतम द्वारा. थोडासा एका शॉटने मला वाटतं शतक त्यांचं राहिलं टीमचं, पण 95 धावांचं लक्ष ही खूप मोठं आहे. ऑक्टा आणि सफायर स्टॉर्म यांना खूप उत्कृष्ट अशी फलंदाजी करावी लागेल जर त्यांना हा सामना जिंकायचा आहे. The officials to start the game. Shivam ji. Sapphire Storm, I hope your batters are ready. Sapphire Storm, requesting to send your batters, please. Sapphire Storm, please send your batters. The fielding set is already ready. Officials are also ready. The officials for this match, Shivam and Amjad. The two official umpires here. Akhand is the third umpire. Ravi, as usual, he's doing wonderful. He's just wonderful at scoring. Our master statistician. Thank you very much, UBC, for the wonderful support that you have been providing at the YouTube end of this broadcast. Thank you so much for Trio Fitness, AV Fitness, Engage Security, Ganesh Mishra, the mutual fund coordinator. Also, a big thank you for Satsang Parivar for being the main sponsors of this event and providing water for drinking purposes at all the people present over here. Thank you very much. Trio Fitness also for sponsoring this event. Thank you very much. Apex Group of Hospitals, thank you very much. To Winning Smiles, thank you very much for Vagrams, and thank you very much for Orbit Broadband, and a big thank you for Siddheshwar Group of Companies. Thank you so much to Kiran Salunke for the tournament mentor, Ashwin Aire, tournament guide. Thank you very much, Mr. Gopal Shetty, and thank you very much to Sri Atul Bhatkalkarji, who has always been supporting all these legendaries. People have been really supporting this event a lot. Okay, we have the match on. Game on. Can I have the batter's name, please? Requesting somebody from Sapphire to be here. Sapphire, if you have any extra player, can you send that person to the dais, please? और ये पहली गेंद गायकवाड़ सर के द्वारा बेहतरीन फील्डिंग, चौका रोका उन्होंने, लेकिन एक रन रोक नहीं पाए आकाश का। पहली गेंद एक रन, 94 का लक्ष्य, 94 का लक्ष्य। प्रीतम जी गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं, बेहतरीन बल्लेबाजी करने के बाद गेंदबाजी के लिए तैयार प्रीतम। और एक रन चुरा लिया है, प्रेशर डाल के थोड़ा सा फंबल शॉर्ट स्क्वायर लेग पे। Well, 2 deliveries, 2 singles here. A shorter delivery offside the off stump, slower delivery. Batsman completely missed it. Eventually it turns into a dot delivery. Preetham back into the bowling mark. He'll be bowling to Akash. So far 2 for none after 3 deliveries in this over, first over of the innings. It's high in the air, wonderfully hit. Suresh Gaikwad was just a mere spectator here. A good start by Akash here after that single. So that was not a bad delivery actually. It looked like a catch, but it turns out to be the first 6 of the match. Another in the air. Victor misses it, but it's a declared zone. It walks into the declared zone for a single. So I think Sapphire has decided they have to score. If they have to win the match, Sapphire has to score, have to deal in the boundaries. See, 94 is not a mere total. It's a bigger target considering the bowling attack for Octa, but we just cannot count Sapphire also, lesser. They are here to compete. Again in the air, Kapilji is a fielder at the long on region area. What a throw, straight onto the stumps. May I invite the Sapphire ladies team and WP team to the toss, please. Shubham, please send your skipper, Sapphire, Gauri ma'am, for the toss, please. Bala, Sunny. Bala is the new bowler, over number 2 for the team. Bharat making sure his fielders are kept right on the mark where he wants them to catch and field. They are defending 94, and so far Sapphire has gathered 10 out of it. So let's see, we have a match on here. Bowler making sure where he wants his fielder, right there where he wants. Remember, Octa, 35 minutes is the stipulated time to bowl your 7 overs. एक रन का इजाफा हो गया है, 11 पे स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ। टॉस के लिए WP और सफायर, मैं रोहित से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगा टॉस का प्रोसेस कर ले। और ये था वाइड अंपायर द्वारा, थोड़े से लेट थे अंपायर, वो देख रहे थे कि क्या। it's always very watchful. Shivam is always very watchful. He's never in a hurry to give decisions. बढ़िया गेंदबाजी सनी बाला द्वारा। और ऑक्टा ये चाहेंगे कि गेंद अंदर ही रहे, पार्क में ना जाए। 1 रन 2 रन चलता है, जब तक बाउंड्रीज ना स्कोर हो तब तक ऑक्टा गेम कंट्रोल कर रहा है। बहुत अच्छी गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे बाला। बैट्समैन को जरा भी मौका नहीं दे रहे हाथ खोलने का। 13 हो गए, 13 रन हो गए इनके। 94 का लक्ष्य है। फुल टॉस, बेहतरीन शॉट इनका कवर्स पे, जैसे कि जस्ट बल्ला घुमा के दिशा दिखा दी उन्होंने गेंद को। एक 6 आ गया है, मैच 6 आ गया। सत्संग परिवार षटकार आ गया है, स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 19। पंकज ओवर one declared by our umpire Shivam Shukla. सफायर स्टॉर्म को लक्ष्य है 94 का, 94 का। अब तक 20 रन जोड़ चुके हैं, तो उन्हें थोड़ी सी घातक बल्लेबाजी करनी पड़ेगी अगर इन्हें ये मैच जीतना है। अभी यही मैं कह रहा था, यही होने चाहिए, चौके और छक्के। बहुत बढ़िया, डगआउट से भी वही संदेश पहुंचा रहे हैं कि यही हमें चाहिए, हमें 4 चाहिए, हमें 6 चाहिए। पंकज थोड़ा सा प्रेशर में। भरत और कपिल, they have the tons of experience here, so they're just suggesting and giving some advice to Pankaj what to bowl and where to bowl, because so far I guess Octa has the match in control and Sapphire has to change their gears now. They have to change the gears if they have to win this match, and we should have a game on here now. Another shorter delivery, and the result is same, a 6 over the square leg area. The score moves on to 32 for 1 after 2.3 overs. So good two hits by Pankaj. Pankaj now really under pressure. a couple of fielders besides him telling him what to do, where to bowl. मैच का बॉल अगर ग्राउंड के बाहर है तो दर्शकों से रिक्वेस्ट है मैच बॉल लौटा दीजिए. शुक्रिया जिन्होंने भी ये गेंद लौटाई. शिल्पा जी, शायद मुझे रवि ने नाम बताया, उनका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका. और पंकज फिर से गेंदबाजी करने के लिए. फिर से एक शॉर्टर डिलीवरी और रिजल्ट वही है. वहीं पर मारा लैलेश शेट्टी ने. 3 षटक खेचलेले आहेत, 3 षटकार. आणि 38 झालेली आहे धावसंख्या. 38 धावसंख्या झालेली आहे. एक गडी बाद झालेला आहे. सफायर स्टॉर्म चा डगआउट उत्साहित. Pankaj is under tremendous pressure. 2 more deliveries to go here, and he's already given 3 sixes. Let's see what kind of a comeback Prashant does. Lailesh is looking in real good nick here. आणि पुन्हा एकदा चेंडू सुंदर, पण कपिल इंतोडिया यांनी खूप सुंदर क्षेत्ररक्षण केलेलं आहे आणि पंचांनी हा षटकार दर्शवलेला आहे. कारण मला वाटतं कपिल यांच्या हाताला लागून चेंडू कुठल्या तरी फांदीला लागलेला आहे. त्यामुळे दाद दिली पाहिजे आपल्याला कपिल यांची आणि त्यांच्या शेजारी उभे असलेल्या क्षेत्ररक्षकाची. कॅच असा वाटला, पण झाडाची फांदी म्हणाली नाही, मी मध्ये उभी आहे. हा एक षटकार आहे. द लैलेश यांचा अजून एक षटकार. शेवटचा चेंडू आणि हा फुल टॉस लेग साइडला वाईडचा इशारा केलेला आहे पंचांनी. आणि ही ओव्हर एक दमदार सुरुवात देऊन गेलेली आहे सफायरला. 45, अजून एक चेंडू शिल्लक. 3रं षटक आहे. आणि हा गेलेला आहे चौकार. खूपच मोठी ओव्हर झालेली आहे. आणि धावसंख्या झालेली आहे 49. 3 षटक झालेली आहेत, 49 धावा. आणि आता उरले आहेत 4 षटक. मायकेल 3 षटक झालेली आहेत, 49 धावा, 1 गडी बाद. आणि आता आलेले आहेत भरत शुक्ला. भरत शुक्ला गोलंदाजी करणार. राईट आर्म राऊंड द विकेट आणि फलंदाजासाठी सज्ज झालेले आहेत. आता मला इक्वेशन जर कळली तर 45 धावांचं लक्ष्य, 24 चेंडू शिल्लक. 45 required, 24 more deliveries to go, and these 6 deliveries from Bharat will be really vital. This is a power over. We have fielding restrictions. There are only 3 fielders allowed outside the circle. आणि हा पहिला चेंडू हवेत. सुरेश गायकवाड म्हणाले माझा आहे आणि त्यांनी झेल घेतलेला आहे. पहिला चेंडू भरत यांचा आणि पहिली विकेट, पहिला गडी बाद त्यांनी केला. पण संघाचा दुसरा गडी बाद झालेला. 49. लैलेश शेट्टी खूप सुंदर अशी बॅटिंग करत होते, खूप सुंदर फलंदाजी करत होते. खूप सुंदर सुरुवात करून दिली त्यांनी सफायरला. आणि बर्नी आलेले आहेत, माफ करा प्रशांत आउट झाले आहेत. पण लैलेश जोपर्यंत आहेत विकेटवर तोपर्यंत सफायर स्टॉर्म आहेत या मॅच मध्ये. बर्नी, आता पाहूया बर्नी काय करतात त्यांच्या संघासाठी. 3 षटक, 1 चेंडू, 49 धावा, 2 गडी बाद. लक्ष आहे 23 चेंडूत 45. 23 चेंडूत 45. भरत यांनी फुल टॉस, लो फुल टॉस ठेवलेला आणि हा सिंगल बर्नी यांनी घेतलेला आहे. थोडासा फंबल, पण एक धाव रोखू शकली नाही. सुंदर क्षेत्ररक्षण. फंबल तर झालेला, पण लगेच त्यांनी स्वतःला सावरलं, चेंडू उचलला आणि बॉलरकडे दिला. पण एक धाव झालेली होती तोपर्यंत बर्नी यांची. पुन्हा एकदा लायलेश. 50 धावसंख्या झालेली आहे ऑक्टाची, सॉरी सफायरची. आउटसाइड द ऑफ स्टंप भरत यांचा मारा. भरत यांनी आधी पाहिलं की कुठली शॉर्ट डिलिव्हरी दिली, गुडलँड डिलिव्हरी दिली तर लायलेश शेट्टी त्या चेंडूला दिशा दाखवता षटकाराची, म्हणून त्यांनी त्या चेंडूला थोडासा त्याच्यापासून लांब ठेवलेला आहे ऑफस्टंपच्या बाहेर लायलेश यांना. आणि या फुल टॉस, पुन्हा फुल टॉस, पण मला वाटतं एक रन, एक धाव. संघाची धावसंख्या 51. 4 चेंडू झालेले आहेत या षटकात. एक विकेट, एक धाव, 1-0 आणि एक धाव. तर खूप उत्कृष्ट गोलंदाजी भरत शुक्ला यांची. ते गोलंदाजी करतील बर्नी यांना. Slower delivery to start. He completely deceived Bernie. Bernie was ready for the pace. Wonderful bowling by Bharat. We always knew how vital this man is for the team. He contributes with every effort that he puts in, whether he's batting, whether he's bowling, whether he's fielding. His presence on the field matters a lot. Bharat back onto the track. Final delivery of this over. What a deception. What a deception by him. Bernie was not ready for this. He just left that delivery out because he thought it was outside the off stump. Eventually, it's a dot delivery. So we have 51. So only 2 runs coming off that over. 2 runs coming off that over. Wonderful over by Bharat. 51 for 2. And we have now, equation is 18 deliveries, 43 to go for. And I hope umpires are keeping a check. Thank you, sir. Both the teams have been really wonderful in following the rules. Yeah, it's Pritham back into the attack, the guy who bowled the first over. It's 51 for 2 after 4 overs. So 18-43 is the equation. Well, we have a match on. We know how good Lailesh is. We know how good Pritham is. So we have a very good competitive players right over here. They are just fine-tuning the fielders. They want their men on the boundary line who are good catchers. Bharat, Kapil at the long on area. So अगर अभी प्रीतम चाहेंगे कम से कम रन आए इनकी ओवर में, और लाइली सोचेंगे मैं कितना ज्यादा करूं, वो मेरे लिए टीम लिए बेहतर है. और पहली गेंद शॉर्टर डिलीवरी लाइलिश द्वारा मारा गया है. अंपायर का निर्णय है 1. सो लाइलिश भी थोड़ा सा नाराज. उन्हें पता था ये छोटी गेंद थी, वो यहाँ मार सकते थे, इसको कन्वर्ट कर सकते थे एक 6 रन के लिए, बट वो मिस कर गए. लाइन पीछे मार दिया उन्होंने डिक्लेयर्ड जोन में. और ये विक्टर द्वारा कैच, बढ़िया सा कैच विक्टर द्वारा, बिल्कुल जगह पर उन्होंने वेलकम कर दिया इस गेंद को. वंडरफुल कैच विक्टर and wonderful setup by Bharat. He knew where his man was. He knew where the bowler is going to bowl. So hats off to Pritham also for bowling that line that his captain was expecting. And Victor is a happy man. Well, they will be really happy to see Lailesh Shetty walking back to the dugout. Good catch, Victor, sir. I'm sure your daughter must be watching it. And Bharat, excellent ploy. You did not move that man from that point region. That's what we all appreciate. A good game. So it's the loss of 3rd wicket for Sapphire. Sapphire a little bit in the dumbbell now, but I'm sure they have the ability to fight back. They have some wonderful people out there in the dugout who can really bat well. So we all have gathered here to see a wonderful game, a sort of a humdinger here. चरण आए हैं अगले बल्लेबाज. प्रीतम द्वारा एक डॉट बॉल थी. प्रीतम चाहते हैं कि मैं गेंदबाजी करूं आउटसाइड द ऑफ स्टंप पे ताकि मैं कोई मौका ना दूं बैटर को हाथ खोलने के लिए, और उसमें वो सफल रहे, लेकिन एक वाइड फेंकी विकेट के बाद, एक डॉट एक वाइड। और ये बहुत बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी कहना चाहता था लेकिन ये वेस्ट है। फुल टॉस, एक रन और एक रन का इजाफा नो बॉल द्वारा, तो दो रन आए इस गेंद पे। प्रीतम से शायद हाथ खोल नहीं पाए, छूट गई उनसे हाथ की डिलीवरी। 55 पर 3, 39 required in 15 balls, 39. So what now Sapphire needs is only 4s and 6s. बेहतरीन डिलीवरी, ये फ्री हिट वाली डिलीवरी थी और कपिल द्वारा बेहतरीन फील्डिंग, चौका रोका लेकिन बैटर्स को रोक नहीं पाए एक सिंगल लेने से। 56 for 3, 4.4। और ये घुमा दिया है बर्नी द्वारा, और ये बेहतरीन कैच हो सकता था, कॉट एंड बोल्ड, लेकिन प्रीतम चूक गए वो लाइन को। कैच के लिए तो जरूर गए थे लेकिन शायद चकमा खा गए बॉल की स्पीड द्वारा। इस 57 for 3, 4.5। इसके बाद होंगी लेडीज लीग की मैचेस, प्लैटिनम लीग की मैचेस, और उसके बाद होगा सिल्वर क्वार्टर फाइनल, सिल्वर सेमीफाइनल। तो बेहतरीन क्रिकेट का नज़ारा देखने मिलेगा आज हमें यहाँ पर। शॉर्टर डिलीवरी फिर से, कॉट बिहाइंड हो सकते थे, इनसाइड एज था लेकिन कीपर चूक गए। सो आफ्टर द एंड ऑफ 6 overs the score moves on to 57 for 3, final 12 deliveries, 37 required, and Bharat, Kapil are having a discussion who should bowl this, and I think eventually it's Bharat who is the best bowler, should bowl this over. We should not keep anything for the last over, but Sapphire also have a big task. They have to deal in boundaries now, no singles, no doubles. It's only boundaries that can get them into the match. We are just waiting to see who is the bowler. We have been just corrected by the umpire here. It's Bharat who is going to bowl. 12 में 39 चाहिए, 37 चाहिए. So 12 deliveries, final 12 deliveries of this legendary match. 37 required. Every delivery requires 3 runs, or we can say every over requires 18 runs. अगर सक्सेस की बात करना चाहूँगा, 6 रनों की बात करना चाहूँगा, तो 6 मारने पड़ेंगे इनको। 12 गेंदे शेष, 37 का लक्ष्य है, 57 ऑलरेडी वो कर चुके हैं, 94 का लक्ष्य है। और बर्नी ने थोड़ा सा पुश किया आउटसाइड द ऑफ स्टंप। Two easy runs for Burney here, singles. Every run counts here. So slowly Sapphire are moving towards their target. 59 they have secured, another 35 required, 11 deliveries to go. So both the teams under pressure now. It's a very crucial match for both the teams. Nice hit by Burney, and the catch is dropped. So Burney gets a reprieve from Vishal. Charan is back on strike. So Bharat is just giving all his efforts to the team. He's contributing every single bit of his energy into this. He knows how vital this over is going to be. A quicker delivery into the toes. They won't mind these batters running singles so far, as they don't. What is this? A bit of a lazy kind of effort shown by the fielders. We all wait. What is the result? And umpire Shukla is giving a wily smile. He says, no, the man was right into the crease here. So, and eventually, what we are seeing is Well. The batter is already inside the crease. That's what Shivam is telling. एक और बेल मिसिंग है शायद. ये रहा बीच विकेट पे है. थोड़ा सा शिवम भी थोड़े से हड़बड़ा गए. थोड़ा सा 62 हो गया है स्कोर. 3 विकेट 5 ओवर और 3 गेंदे ऑलरेडी ऑक्टा के द्वारा कर चुके हैं यहाँ पर. बेहतरीन शॉट और ये बेहतरीन कैच हो सकता था और ये चौका लग गया है. एक सिंगल हैंडेड प्रीतम द्वारा कैच, बेहतरीन कैच लपक लेते प्रीतम तो बहुत अच्छा कैच होता था, लेकिन 4 रन का इजाफा हो गया है चरण द्वारा उनकी टीम के लिए. 66-3 5.4. वंडरफुल स्लो डिलीवरी. We all are waiting for the umpires. Bharat appealed, but in a very softer manner. The keeper was also surprised. I wonder what happened there, but batsman was confident that I didn't nick it. So that's what it counts. And umpire is also very confident about that. 66 for 3. Final delivery of this over. Over number 6 here. So after that slow one, he bowls a quicker one. So what a over by Bharat. 28 required in the next 6 deliveries. So we need 6 sixes. Retired hurt हो गए. सत्या नए बैट्समैन रनर है. सत्या के लिए वो रनर है. थैंक यू सर. कैन आई हैव बॉलर्स नेम प्लीज? Uday. Thank you. Uday will be the final. He'll be bowling the final 6 deliveries of this innings. They require 28. So what requires is 6 hits out of the park if Sapphire wants to cross the boundary line of victory. And Bernie is the batter. और ये स्ट्रेट गया था फील्डर के हाथ में. एफर्ट्स के लिए दाद देना चाहूंगा उनकी. 1 रन का इजाफा बर्नी द्वारा अपनी टीम के लिए. 67 पे पहुंच गया स्कोर. Legends are certainly legends, you know. It's happy to see these wonderful faces out here putting their efforts. Shorter delivery, Satya says welcome, and it's 6 signaled by the umpire. The score moves on to 73. Well, another 4 deliveries to go. Even if they manage to score 24, well, we have a match on here. Sapphire versus Octa, the last league match of this Legends League here. शेवटचे 4 चेंडू शिल्लक आहेत. ये फुल टॉस मिस कर गए सत्या और क्लीन बोल्ड हो गए. बिल्कुल मिस कर गए लाइन. और यहाँ पे हमारे एक बेहतरीन कमेटी मेंबर मनीष सिंह का आगमन होते हुए दर्शकों को मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगा तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट से उनका स्वागत किया जाए। मनीष सिंह टॉप परफॉर्मर हमारे कमेटी के, शायद प्रसाद लेके आए, दोनों हाथ खाली है उनके, लेकिन 73 for 4, 6.3। नहीं मैं तो निकल मेरे को बोला सर, मैं आगे मेरी जगह पे आया। अरे बिल्कुल लेडीज मैचेस के लिए आया मैं। टाइमिंग बोलते हैं उसको, स्क्वायर कट के बाद मनीष सिंह, स्क्वायर कट के बाद मनीष सिंह, टाइमिंग बाद। Well, we have final 3 deliveries, 3 or 4, 3 deliveries, और उन्हें चाहिए 21 in 3. So we have a game on Sapphire and Octa. Wonderful match. Shorter delivery missed by the batter. Wonderful bowling by the bowler Udaya. He knew how much pressurized this over was. He had to keep it at the minimum. You remember, there's one eye on the net run rate also, not only the 2 points. Hats off to Sapphire also for putting such a brave fight. Where was this guy, Octa? Where had you hit him, Bharat? Where was this bowler for the entire match? I didn't see him bowling in the entire tournament, I guess. He is your find, I guess. Well, I would love to have some pep talk with you, Bharat, after this match about this bowler. From where did you find this gem? So that's the last delivery, ends up with a 6, 79. Wonderful batting by Sapphire. Sapphire, congratulations for putting up such a brave effort, and congratulations Octa also. And Bharat Shukla, I will announce you as the man of the match for the wonderful 2 overs that you bowled.